Hey guys, these fun and viral videos you often see on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube are actually super simple to make, just a few clicks. Today I'm going to introduce you to a platform that makes the whole process incredibly easy without needing ChatGPT or any other AI tools. Of course, this platform also offers many other advanced and professional features. Creating animations and videos with this AI is easy, the quality is high, and I definitely recommend you check it out. It's totally worth it. I'm Daniel, an experienced 2D and 3D animator. On this channel, I explore AI tools for content creation, especially in animation, and share my insights with you. So stick around. And if you enjoy this type of content, your likes and subscriptions really help us out. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken straight to the main page of PixVerse. You can sign up using your Google account and start using the AI for free since it gives you a few free credits every day. As always, my suggestion is, before doing anything, definitely take a look at the samples created by other users. Try to find ones that match your taste and the kind of video you want to make. You can check out the details of how each sample was made or copy their prompts. You can even download them for your own use or make edits like upscaling, extending, and more. If you like a sample, you can simply hit retry to generate something similar. This way, you can get results faster and more efficiently. At the top, you'll find shortcuts to some of PixVerse's viral effects so you can access them quickly. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see all the different AI tools available. Tools I already covered in a full video explaining how to create videos and animations even with static characters, as well as how to add lip sync and sound effects. I've also linked that video above for you to check out. Under the Create section, you'll have full access to all these tools. And in the animation section, you can create animations in various styles. My personal favorite is the clay style, and honestly, PixVerse does an amazing job with it. You can create your own animations here and even add lip sync and music to them. There are some truly incredible samples here that really showcase the power of this AI. All right, let's move on to the effects section where I'm going to test out a few effects for you. PixVerse offers tons of effects and templates neatly organized into different categories. These effects are super easy to use, yet designed very professionally. They create really attractive videos. You've probably seen many of these styles on Instagram and TikTok, and you know how fun and viral they can be. I'm starting with one that has a Simpsons animation theme. As soon as you click on it, the settings will appear below, and the prompt will automatically be filled in for you. All you need to do is upload the photo you want to use. If you turn on off-peak mode, it'll cost you fewer credits, but your video will be put in a queue and generated during off-peak hours. This process can take anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. But if you don't enable off-peak mode, the video is usually generated in under 10 minutes. You can also adjust the number of videos created per attempt here. The video duration can be either 5 or 8 seconds, and you can choose your resolution up to 1080p. You can write a prompt to add custom sound effects or just activate auto sound to let PixVerse handle it for you. If you need a lip sync, you can use auto speech, which is a really cool feature. The effect I chose already has its own animation style, but you can apply other animation styles if you want. Later, I'll also show you the Restyle section, which basically does the same thing. Some tools and effects only work with specific PixVerse models, but for others, you'll have multiple options. Once you're ready, just hit create and your video will be generated. It turned out super fun, adorable, and the quality is excellent. I really love it. Now I want to make another fun clip by morphing celebrity photos into each other using the transition effect. It's super easy, like you just upload 2 photos and adjust the settings if needed, just like before. You'll need to set the final frame of one video as the starting frame of the next. If you're not happy with the result, just hit retry and it'll generate a new one. I did this a few times and then stitched the final clips together. The Clayful effect is another awesome one, so I'm going to try it out here as well. I'm sure the result will amaze you. As you can see, the precision is fantastic and the results turn out super cute and fun. Let's try it with a picture of Ana de Armas. It looks adorable. You can even easily create Ghibli-style animations from your own photos or celebrities' photos. For example, this Lady Gaga animation looks super high quality and cool. What I find most impressive is how accurately the AI animates the subject and restyles the surrounding environment. It's honestly incredible. There are even a few dance effects available and they look really cool. I tried a few of them and they're all super easy, high quality, and like a lot of fun. Overall, all of these effects are really attractive and can help you get a lot of views. The next section that can make your videos even more fun and viral is Restyle. Here you can apply different animation styles to your videos. I'll test a few for you. Just import your video, pick the style you like, and that's it. As I mentioned, PixVerse's capabilities are impressive and it can be a fantastic option for creating videos and animations from start to finish. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, stay creative.